After leaving the king's chamber, Nneka returned to Queen Amara with one trusted palace guard. The queen immediately understood why they had come and broke down in tears. She begged Nneka not to take any of her children away from her, but Nneka explained that hiding one of the twins was the only way to protect both the babies and the kingdom itself. If the villagers discovered the truth, they would demand the death of the twins and possibly rise against the throne. Before the child was taken away, Queen Amara pleaded with Nneka to place a special mark on both babies so that she could recognize them if they ever met again in the future. Nneka carefully made a small mark beside the ear of each twin. That same night, while the kingdom slept, Nneka wrapped one of the twins carefully in cloth and secretly left the palace with Danjuma, the king's most trusted guard. Under the darkness of night, they traveled far beyond the borders of Obidike to another distant kingdom. There, Nneka decided to raise the child as her own son, while hiding his true identity from the world. Back inside the palace, King Adigwe feared that the secret of the twins would destroy the kingdom if it was ever exposed. To silence the truth forever, he ordered the death of every midwife and attendant who had witnessed the birth. Before dawn, everyone who knew about the twins was gone, leaving only the king, the queen, and the remaining child alive with the secret. The next morning, joy filled Obidike. Drums echoed through the kingdom as villagers gathered at the palace with songs, dances, gifts, and blessings. The people celebrated the birth of the royal prince, unaware of the painful secret hidden behind the palace walls. King Adigwe proudly presented the child before the people and declared him the future heir of Obidike. During the royal naming ceremony, King Adigwe named the child Prince Obinna. The elders blessed the boy and prayed that he would become a strong and wise ruler. The king can't wait to train Obinna in leadership, battle, wisdom, and the traditions of the kingdom, so that one day he would sit upon the throne of Obidike. Although the palace was filled with celebration and Prince Obinna grew stronger each day, Queen Amara could not forget the son who had been taken from her. For many nights she cried alone in silence, wondering where her missing child was and whether he was safe. Over time, she slowly forced herself to focus on raising the prince beside her. But deep within her heart, the pain never truly disappeared. She continued to hope that one day fate would reunite her with the child she lost to the darkness of that night.